Okay. First you see here, it is looking like up to here a plus b whole square. This is looking like a minus b whole square. Yes or no? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. What is that a plus b whole square expansion? Tell me.
A square
A
plus
square,
2ab plus 2.
a square plus b square plus 2ab అని రాయొచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
సార్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు కదా సార్?
రాయొచ్చు, ఎలా అయినా రాసుకోవచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం.
ఓకే సార్.
a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab అని రాయొచ్చు. Yes, plus 2ab, it should be in the middle. I written last, that's all. ఎలా రాసినా ఏం కాదు. ఓకే.
Okay.
Okay, now so it is looking like this is a, this is b. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 times sin theta into cos theta. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Here
sir.
you see sin square theta plus cos square theta
2 into
minus 2 into sin theta into cos theta.
yes sir.
Plus 2 into sin theta cos theta minus 2 into sin theta cos theta going to cancel. So we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
1 plus 1 2.
1 plus 1 is 2. This is the answer. Understood now?
సార్ ఇట్లాంటి ఫార్ములా ఉంటే
Why?
మనం పక్కా తీసుకొని చేయాలా సార్?
ఇట్లాంటి ఫార్ములా ఉంటే
సార్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇట్లుందా అనుకో సార్, సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఇట్లుందా అనుకో, పక్కా ఫార్ములా తీసుకొని చేయాలా సార్?
yes, formula you have to use, identities you have to use.
Yes sir.
Sin square plus cos square ఎక్కడ కనపడ్డా కూడా అది 1 అని రాసుకోవచ్చు, no problem. Why? Because we know the identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Yesterday we did, no?
Yes sir.
Use this identity. ఎక్కడైనా అవసరం పడితే ఈ ఐడెంటిటీ యూస్ చేసుకోవాలి. Copy down now.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed sir.
Next question.
Sec x square theta minus 1 cos x square theta minus 1.
Okay. secant square theta minus 1 cosec square theta minus 1. This is the question. Secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. So we know that identities secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 kada.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
And one more identity cosec square theta
Minus
minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is identity manakunnai. So now what we will do, now you send this tan square to right side, bring this one to left side. That becomes tan square theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cot square theta here, same, right? Here also same thing we are applying. Okay, now secant square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. Substitute here. Our question is secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. This is a question. Secant square theta minus
tan
1
square.
is nothing but tan square theta. Cosec square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot square theta.
Cos square.
Cot square theta.
We know that tan is nothing but 1 by cot. Cot square going to cancel. You will get 1 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, good. Understood this one?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So using identities, we are using the identities. Okay. Next question.
Show that cosec theta minus cosec theta square equals to 1 minus cosec by 1 plus cosec.
Yes.
One plus cosec.
So we have to show that this is. Okay, first to take LHS value. What is the LHS here?
Cosec
Cosec
minus cot square theta.
cot theta.
Cot theta whole square, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, cosec means I can write 1 by sin, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cot is cos by sin.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the LCM? Sin theta. Here is 1 minus cos theta, right?
Yes. Whole square.
Whole square. Okay. Now this is 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin theta. Sin theta square. Got it? I am applying this
Yes, sir.
square for numerator and denominator separately. Okay. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Identity is known for us, right?
Yes, sir.
From this we can write sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. Understood now? Why we are
Yes, sir.
changing sin square to cos square means we have to show that all in terms of cos.
Okay, so
Okay. So here I am writing 1 minus cos square theta. So it is looking like a
Sir,
square minus b square denominator. Tell me,
sir, they given test no, sir.
which one?
1 minus cos theta
1 minus cos square theta.
by 1 plus cos theta, no, sir.
This is we have to show, but here sin square theta value how much?
1 minus cos square theta.
That one you have to write. Okay,
Okay.
now numerator, it is looking like 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Square is there, na? 2 times you can write. Denominator, it is looking like a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. Both gets cancelled, you will get this answer. One minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is the RHS, right?
Yes, sir.
yes.
Hence proved you right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the formula we are using up to here. Copy down.
Completed, sir.
Everyone written?
No, sir.
సార్
Tell
సార్
me.
ఇక్కడ 1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా ఎట్లా వచ్చింది సార్?
ఎక్కడ?
సార్
Formulas down, sir.
Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta కదా.
ఎస్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు 1ని 1 స్క్వేర్ రాసుకుంటే ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందా మనకి?
కాదు సార్.
1 square minus cos square, that is looking like a square minus b square. Apply the formula. A plus b into a minus b.
మనం ఫార్ములా
ఎస్, ఫార్ములా అప్లై చేయడానికి అలా రాసుకున్నాం. ఏ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా ఉంటే ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ ఏ మైనస్ బి.
ఓకే
Completed, sir.
కంప్లీటెడ్ సార్.
నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్.
Show that root 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to secant a plus tan a, where 0 degree less than theta less than 90.
ఓకే, he's show that it is also show that question. Okay, so whenever roots are there, you can use the concept of rationalizing the denominator. Okay,
Okay.
let's just check. This is an important question for 4 marks. Okay, this is given to us. He is asking to show that it is nothing but secant a plus tan a. So rationalize the denominator. So we used to do in the 9th class first chapter, right?
Yes, sir. Real number.
So what is the rationalizing factor of 1 minus sin A? Is nothing but 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A. Okay, now you see. So numerator it is looking like a plus b into a plus b. That is a plus b whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. Denominator it is looking like a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So how is the numerator is looking? A plus b into a plus b. That is a plus b whole square. Denominator is looking like a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here 1 plus sin A whole square so this is 1 minus sin square A numerator denominator, right? Okay, now so we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
So cos square theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square theta. So here also same thing. One minus sin square A is nothing but cos square A. Square root cancel.
One.
Okay, 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A. This is nothing but tan A. We got it, RHS. Hence proved you can write. Just to check any doubt you can ask.
Or here 1 plus sin whole square you written, but down you did not write 1 square, no sir. Last
Here
process.
you are asking
Yes sir.
1 square is nothing but 1 itself, no? No need of writing.
Okay.
Uh, Sir,
Tell me.
sir, here in this identity, you did not kept the sign square, sir. Square
Yes,
not
here
kept.
it should be sine square.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
after identity, you cancel two times no sir square. How it possible, sir?
One is for numerator, one is for denominator.
But there only one whole square, no sir.
Cos square a is also there now.
It's a root only
So
one, no sir.
root is for numerator as well as the denominator.
Okay.
Okay, like this root is there. So you can split the root for numerator and denominator separately. Otherwise, now you can cancel like this also.
Okay.
Root is for numerator and denominator. See in the question here.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Okay.
Completed, sir.
What is the next question?
Show that 1 minus
So
tan
that
square
1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1 equals to tan square a.
Show that.
Okay. Now you try that question. Change it as
Okay.
tan square a as sine square a by cos square a, cot square a as cos square a by sine square a. Change it into sine and cos and do it.
Sir, once again, say, sir.
So here tan cot is there now. You convert the tan cot into sine cos. Tan is nothing but sine by cos. Cot is nothing but cos by sine, right?
Okay.
Hmm. Change it into sine and cos and do it.
Sir, we should rationalize the denominator, sir, in this also.
No need to rationalize the denominator. Whenever square root is there, at that time only you have to use the concept of rationalizing the denominator.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Tell me,
a question, sir. Thanks, sir.
tan square A is coming?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. For remaining, it is coming tan square A or not?
Beings are not complete.
Okay.
Tan square A.
Sir, got sir.
Okay. Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Sir, once you tell sir we done correct or not, we check sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is a question 1 minus tan square a by cot square a minus 1. This is a question, right? Okay, now here 1 minus tan square a, that is nothing but you can write this tan square a as sin square a by cos square a, right?
Yes, sir.
Cot square a is nothing but cos square a by sin square a minus 1. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so take the LCM for numerator and denominator separately. So here what is the LCM? Cos square a. So cos square a minus sin square a. This is the numerator. Denominator, here also LCM same, sin square a. So it is a fraction by fraction. Both gets cancelled. Sin square a by cos square a is tan square a. Okay, this is the way you have to do. You did the same way, correct yourself.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now question number 5.
Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta sin theta.
Okay. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta, right?
So
This is the question we have. So you take that LHS value first. Take the LCM. Yes. So we know that
Yes, sir.
sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 kada.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sin square theta is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta. So here 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta you can write. Sin square theta is nothing but sin theta into sin theta 2 times. So this sin by cos is nothing but tan theta into sin theta.
sin theta.
Hence proved.
This is the RHS. LHS is same as RHS. Hence proved you can write.
Sir, if we do any problem, we must and should know identifies, no, sir.
Yes, in this exercise identities you have to know.
Okay,
In this
sir.
exercise completely related to identities. Take it down.
Sir, tomorrow will you say again all identities, sir?
Identities already I told you now.
Some only I have wrote, sir. That's why.
3 identities only. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, first you take this problem.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
No, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay, up to here you practice. We will continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, no, sir. Why? Sir,
Yes.
cosec theta. Please say, sir.
Which one?
Cosec theta identity, sir.
These are the 3 identities.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Copy down.
Completed, sir. Thank you, sir.